on your motorcycle. Right now it's on off mode. Turn the wheel. Locks. Pull out your key. See? Now just to show you like it's an off, regular off. You can pull out your key. See? Let's try that again. Look, off mode. The way we usually park. Turn the. See how it's not turning? Now you turn your wheel, and then look, lock. Done. Handlebars are tight, not moving. Now, see, they move now. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.